Hey, look, I've got this ankle support brace on. This is by the brand FEATOL. They did send this to me. I'm gonna give you my honest opinion. All right, now I'm a size 10 in the men's shoe. This is a medium and it fits me really well. Here's a quick look at it. So you've got all these like laces right here. This is a really cool design. You don't actually have to tie these laces. So don't be intimidated by that. Watch, I'm just gonna slide my foot in. Okay, now watch this. All you're gonna do, you see there's like a little Velcro tab. It's all like pre-done for you. So all I'm gonna do is pull and Velcro there, pull this and Velcro it there. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing up top. Make sure the tongue is in there. Look, pull and stick, pull and stick. You're gonna take this one down, under and around up the side. Okay, you're doing a figure 8. We're gonna go ahead across and do another figure 8 underneath this way. Okay, so we've got it going down, up on the sides. The final step right here is to take this over. It's elastic, take this over as tight as you want. Check that out. Now I'm gonna stand up for you. I've got left and right, the lateral mobilization and stabilization support. So, and then of course I've got my normal support for walking forward, jumping, doing whatever I gotta do. It feels really good on the foot. You don't have to worry about your laces coming out of the lace holes. You don't have to worry about things getting tangled because they're interlocked and they're connected onto the Velcro there. So literally all you're doing is pulling and sticking. Really good material on this. They did a great job. Definitely pick this one up. Check it out. That's my quick review. Thanks for watching.